Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro. Today we're checking out one of the most hyped smartphones of the year, the Nokia King 5G One. Nokia has been making a strong comeback, and this model proves they are ready to compete with the biggest names in the smartphone industry. So let's dive into the full features, performance test, and see if this device is truly worth the excitement. First, let's talk about the design. Nokia has gone with a bold and premium look this time. The phone feels solid in the hand, with smooth edges and a sleek finish that gives it a flagship vibe. On the front, you get a beautiful large display with vibrant colors and smooth refresh rate, perfect for gaming, watching videos, or scrolling through apps. Now moving to the performance, the Nokia King 5G One comes with a powerful 5G chipset that delivers fast, responsive, and smooth multitasking. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or opening heavy apps, the phone performs without lag. The 5G support ensures lightning-fast downloading and streaming, making your daily usage even more seamless. When it comes to the camera, Nokia didn't hold back. The camera module captures sharp photos, detailed portraits, and clear low-light shots. Video recording is stable and crisp, making it a great option for content creators or anyone who loves taking high-quality photos and videos on the go. Battery life is another major highlight. With its massive battery, the Nokia King 5G One easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage. Fast charging capacity helps you get back to 100% quickly so you never stay unplugged for long. Overall, the Nokia King 5G One is a strong comeback device packed with power, style, and great features. Whether you're a gamer, a photography lover, or just want a fast and reliable smartphone, this phone will not disappoint. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech content right here on Tech Unbox Pro.